Well, very much. It has influenced people culture very much. In fact, the devotion to our Ina is already made the center of our culture. In fact, our culture revolves around the devotion to our Ina. What culture do we have? First of all, we are a people who have a great respect for our Ina. And this runs through our yearly activity. Look, in October we have the Rosary Month, December, Christmas, then May, yung Flores de Mayo, all around the Virgin. But we express this devotion most especially during September. All other devotions towards our Mother, about the Virgin, are made secondary devotions. But the primary devotion of the Bicolanos is the Peña Francia devotion.
I've read this book about Bicol culture, and almost all of it is has a part of Ina has become a part of it. Why so, sir?
Well, being deeply religious, Bicolanos usually make Ina part of their life. So we have novels, no? We have novels written on, not novel, short stories written by Carlos Ojeda Aureus. Some of the stories have references or allusions to the Virgin of Peña Francia. Bicol writers, poets, in the vernacular or in English, they allude to Ina often in their works. Even writers of historical accounts of Bicol, there is always reference to her.
Are there any testimonies regarding how Ina has saved Bicol?
Well, testimonies that are ingrained on faith. Because facts and faith do not usually go together. Facts and faith complement each other. So what we have are testimonies that are based on faith. For example, when Ina went underwater about, when was that, several years ago, 97 or 87. A few months after, the supermarket got burned, caught fire. Then, a very strong typhoon swept over Bicol. Because of that incident, when Ina went underwater. Now, just this year, why did we have this supermarket fire? Some attribute it to the incident when the Divino Rostro, the devotion to the Divino Rostro is intimately connected with our Ina. When the glass panel of the Divino Rostro was stoned or something, it got broken. So religious sentiments or faith say that because of this incident, of this desecration on the Divino Rostro, something bad or a calamity will descend on mankind. And they attribute it to the desecration, the fire in downtown supermarket.
How did the tragedy